What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro against the Xiaomi Mi 8. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM versus 6, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the OnePlus 7 Pro finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. And in the breakdown of the categories, the OnePlus 7 Pro scored the highest in each of the categories. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. The next videos will be with the Nubia Magic 3. So there will be speed test, benchmarks and camera comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.